Grid View is the core of Airtable. If you understand Grid View properly, everything else becomes easier. In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable Grid View step by step in 2026 and how to organize your data the right way from the start. Alright, first, open any base in Airtable. By default, you'll already be in Grid View. This looks like a spreadsheet, but it's more powerful than it seems. Now, each row in Grid View is called a record. A record represents one item, like one task, one client, or one piece of content. Thinking in records helps you structure data properly. Next, columns are called fields. Each field stores one type of information like a name, date, status, or checkbox. Grid View works best when every field has a clear purpose. All right, click any field name to change its type. You can switch between text, number, date, single select, checkbox, and more. Choosing the correct field type makes sorting, filtering, and grouping possible. Now, enter your data directly into Grid View. You can click cells, press tab to move across, or enter to move down. This makes Grid View perfect for fast data entry on PC. Next, organize your layout. Resize columns, drag fields to reorder them, or hide fields you don't need right now. This keeps your grid clean and focused. Now, use sorting, filtering, and grouping. Sorting arranges records. Filters show only what you want. Grouping stacks records by status or category. All of this happens directly inside Grid View. Finally, you can create multiple grid views. Each grid view can have its own filters, sorting, and layout. This lets you see the same data in different ways without duplicating anything, and that's how to use Airtable Grid View properly. Once you master Grid View, you'll work faster, stay organized, and avoid messy data. Everything else in Airtable builds on this.